Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my channel here. Today I'm going to show you how we can use the Power ISO to make your pen drive bootable or make any OS bootable so that you can install into your system whenever you have a problem, or any OS you can download and you can make it bootable to any pen drive which is bigger than 4 GB. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to download the Power ISO. This Power ISO you have to download from the internet, and then you install into your system, after which you can start using. So for me, I've already installed into my system. You can see here the Power ISO is already here, so I will just fire them up. So you can see that the Power ISO is here. It's a simple very light applications software. So you can see if you want to burn anything that you want, so you just have to drag it here, and then now you can see the progress here. So you can start burning. You can also compress, or you can also copy, or you can extract. There's so many options here. So as of now, I'm going to make a pen drive bootable, so for me this is not needed. So now I've already inserted one pen drive which is of 4 GB, but difference, you have to make sure that the pen drive is empty so that you will not lose your important data. So mine is 8 GB, so we will use this for this video. So let's begin. So you can go to this Power ISO once you come here, but difference, before that you should run this one always as run as administrator. Right click and run as administrator. So yes, once you run this, you go to the tools and you have so many options there. You can erase if you have a rewritable disk. You can also copy, you can burn multi-disk, you can also copy the image file, you can read, you can do virtual drive, and you can also unzip, archived, you can make a floppy, but these things are not used. So, and here comes the make USB drive image file. There's another one, and just below there you can see that create bootable USB drive. This is what we want. So we go here, and now this is a source file. So we need the Windows 10 ISO file. So let's grab the image file. So I've already kept in my drive. So here I have a Windows 10 here. So we will grab it from here, and then so right here just click to this dot, and we will pull the direct. We'll go to this drive. So we will grab from here. This is my Windows 10, which is come with the Office 2019 along with. So now here is your pen drive. If your pen drive is not selected, you can select it from here. Mine is HP of 8 GB, and this right method is USB HDD. So that's good enough. And then now we can click the start in order to make the pen drive bootable. So yes, we will make sure that there is no nothing is there, otherwise it will overwrite. It's giving us a warning. So since my pen drive is empty, so I can go ahead and click OK, and then it will take some time. You just have to wait. This one will come here, and it will have to come till the last here 100%. So till then I will pause the video, and we will resume when the process is over. So guys, now it is done finally. So we have come back, so we can close this. You can close the ISO. Now you can go back to your pen drive. As you can see, now the pen drive is bootable. You can see the Windows sign out here. You will see this particular sign, that the arrow mark pointing the wall downwards. That shows that the pen drive is already bootable, and you can see the content. Everything is filled here. So now your pen drive is ready to go. Wherever you want to install into your any system, you just plug your pen drive, go to your BIOS, do the settings. First boot device as the USB drive, and then restart to your system will install automatically. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.